Oh, we're recording. So, hold on as I get set up here. Apparently, all of my passwords have been forgotten. Okay, well, you'll understand what this is later. This is more Venice. Okay. So I looked at. My phone earlier, and I was like, oh shit. And the markets looked like they dumped 25% or something in the course of a day. Oh, not 25%, 12%, I think. Let's see. So a 10% drop on Bitcoin. Yeah, about 12%, or 11.22. So yeah, so everybody's might be freaked out. But again, just zoom out. So this is the Bitcoin chart. This is this month so far, 4 days of this month. Open to 64, 10,000 down. Currently 54. Fibs on this set of fibs I charted from. Where did I chart from? From here to here. Why did I do that? I don't know why, actually. I should usually try and chart from there to there, so let's just chart this. This is kind of a speaking out loud video, I guess. Maybe it's on a different time frame. Anyways, saying the last fib was at like 50k. So realistically, we could see something draw down to like 50k. We could see whatever. I don't fucking know. But the point of this video is to be like, oh shit, this is normal from everything that I hear and from what you can see on these charts. Down here, that was a 33% drawdown 2017 during this bull market. This is obviously COVID. And then we had a pretty straight run up. But even from here, like, what does this kind of look like? Kind of looks like maybe some kind of similar thing to this. Hopefully without the COVID low. But what do we got there? Like, to that low, there's a 70% drawdown on Bitcoin over the course of like 3/4 of a year or whatever that works out to in math terms. Math terms. Right now, we're sitting at like a 25% drawdown from the local, like from the all-time high. Like, whatever. Shit's gonna happen. Like, I don't know. I don't think this is the top. I set these green bars up because I think the top comes in sometime in this range. So like mid to like 2025 is kind of what I keep seeing from things I read. Yeah, and then these are still the targets, like the 1.236 to 1.618 fib, still the target. Maybe even higher. But I think that's feasible. So ETH had a pretty nasty day. Broke past this 0.618. Yeah, this shit happens though. Like, was it over here? Was this COVID? No, this was COVID here. In the middle of the cycle, or let's just try and do that. 36% drawdown, right? Before the all-time high, this probably was what thought to be the all-time high was. Then it was actually here. But like, before that top, 60% drawdown. Like, that's pretty significant, right? On the way up, we have these big pullbacks, and we had a pretty steady run. This one's pretty harsh, but whatever. That's how it always feels when shit's down. But I still think the trend's holding. Like, this is the trend line. It kind of bounced right at the trend line, too. So, that's a good sign, I guess. It can break down and can continue down. I don't know, maybe something in the news happened or some shit on Twitter. But all in all, like, personally, unless you have like open positions or you're a trader or like leveraged, I mostly hold spot, and like I took a little bit of leverage a few weeks ago because I thought the bottom was in. But like, you don't take so much that you don't take more than like 10-20% probably of your entire portfolio just for a little bit extra profits when things turn around. And once those positions don't get liquidated, like, you're good, right? So if you're not leveraged, then that's just makes shit easier. And then if you're, if you are leveraged, then you have to watch this stuff more often. But like, it's more stress free not having leverage and not being in certain positions, in my opinion. So yeah, I don't know. Hopefully this helps somebody. Like, this shit just happens, right? See all the red? Like, these are bear markets, but even on bull markets, like, things correct on the way up, right? Massively. So, I mean, I wouldn't sweat it too much. In my opinion, nothing's changed. My targets for ETH are still here, somewhere in that range. Targets for Bitcoin are still up here in this range. Total crypto market cap is still 4 to 7 trillion, so maybe around 5. So if I see total market cap hit 4.2 or so trillion, I'll start selling whenever that may or may not happen, but I think it probably will. Yeah, no stress. Not financial advice or whatever you have to say to not get sued. Okay, cool. Yeah, okay, peace out. I hope you have a great weekend or week, because it's now Sunday, 9:30 my time. Yeah. No, I'm not gonna talk about that. Okay, peace out.